Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Mom, look, you pull the butt, you pull this speed, and then it turns lights. No, I got it. Lights.
Whoa.
Whoa, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da. Making our Christmas memories.
Okay, guys, come downstairs. Where's Gabriella?
Let's go.
Okay, let's find the elf. Go.
Okay, find the elf. Okay, Mommy, make it
Let's get this.
It's Bunny Hop.
Where's my phone at?
I found the elf.
Where's that?
Right here. Look, I made a tiny little mess. Here you go.
What?
He made a mess.
Oh my gosh, Snowball. I think he wants us to do that experiment with the Skittles.
Okay.
Pour the tea. Be careful. Be careful.
A little bit.
Just pour it so that all the Skittles go in. Okay. Yep, that's good.
Wait, I see the color. It's coming out. Yeah. It's happening. Whoa.
I see them getting colorful.
Yeah.
Whoa. Whoa. Oh, Gabby.
This is what I was telling you to do.
No. Help your sister Gabriella.
We can drink the water.
Whoa.
See?
Good. That is so cool.
It's like this.
Don't touch it, or the colors will mess up.
Okay.
She just wants to eat the Skittles. Yummy.
Good big Skittles.
Are you gonna eat a Skittle? Just give her Skittles to distract her. That is so cool.
So what's happening? Oh!
It's also right here.
That's the coolest thing.
That's way cool. You just see that?
Snowy, Snowball, you're so smart.
He's flying away from us. You're the best. What's that he was on the tree?
That's such a fun thing.
I thought he had moved.
Santa's gonna find out. Okay, let's take a picture with that. That is so cool, you guys. Okay, let's go to daycare. Yay, care.
Love you guys. I gotta
Say
go.
bye-bye, Debbie.
Bye.
Well, the experiment's done. Ew!
It made poo-poo water.
Made poo-poo water. Let's go get in the car, guys. Okay, it's lunchtime, so we are here with Snowball. I'm talking to my friends. I have the new Panera spicy chicken, and I'm gonna test it against the McDonald's spicy chicken. First things first, I think there's tomato on both of those, and I don't like that, so. Ew.
I'm gonna be here too.
Cool. Okay, so here is McDonald's. Looks like this. Okay. This one's got like an annoying way to open it. Oh, it's a full present in there. Okay, and then it comes out like this. Perfect. Let's open her up. We got some mayo, sauce, pickles. Okay. Should I try this one first? Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna finish this whole pizza. Right now, it has the cheese block. It was from
This is
Bear.
really good. That's really good. The bread, as expected, is so good. Panera, you know. Speaking of the bread, the pizza Delicious. Okay. McDonald's. I should get a Popeyes too, but whatever.
Got it an orange Sprite. So they ran out of clear Sprite, so we got it an orange. I'm gonna taste this one now.
I don't know. I don't know which one I like. I think I like McDonald's is spicier, has a more intense flavor. Panera's bread is amazing, but the chicken on the McDonald's is so good. This is a completely different flavor.
Okay. This pizza, the cheese kind of tastes like a different kind of cheese. Like, it's better than Domino's and different kind of pizzas everywhere.
This is like a toned down buffalo moment. This is like a spicy. I don't know, I can't decide. This! Okay, that's the half. Okay, chill. You almost bit my finger. Wait, come back. Now try this. Don't take a big bite. Now try that. Wait, clear your palate and your face. Just like wipe it. Okay, tell the camera what you think.
Okay.
Which one's better? They're not the same thing at all. That's better?
It's what it really looks like.
Whoa.
This is what it really looks like. At Panera's. They had the big blob of
I don't know.
cheese.
Look at this shit.
It looks very
Look at
good.
Daddy's bite.
He's
Calm down. Anyway, we're gonna eat. I gotta get back to work.
Thank you, Tia. Thank you, Tia.
What's LP saying?
I don't know. He's not even saying anything. I think he's mouth stick shut.
Oh, also when I was ordering, the lady was like, do you know that it's $11.85 for just the sandwich? And I was like, yeah. She's probably getting yelled at like all the time. But Jojo, tell me what happened last night about your tooth.
So when I was going home,
No.
when I was starting into the hallway going home, someone elbowed me in the face.
No, not how you lost it. What happened last night in bed?
Oh, I did put my tooth under my pillow.
You didn't put your tooth under your pillow and
No, I put it under the pillow and then I took it out.
then you took it out and the tooth fairy didn't come because she got confused. You have to put your tooth under your pillow. Are you going to do that today?
Yes. Mom, never I put my tooth under my pillow.
Yeah, you put your tooth under your pillow.
And then the fairy guy. And then it turns into a donut. Put my
Wow. Good evening, guys. I literally don't know where the day went. It flew by. I'm a one-woman show, so I do everything, and the content was giving me issues to get edited. My poor baby, coughing. Everything to get edited was taking so long and like loading, and I had to like overhaul my iPad. So it's like 1 a.m. and we're just gonna do like a get unready with me. I'm gonna de-stress my life. First things first, I'm going to shower. So you're not invited. I'll be right back. All right. I am clean and in the cutest pajamas literally ever. If you hear my husband snoring, yes you do. Deal with it because I have to too. First things first. the Holy Grail. Anything secret, I die for. This is the only deodorant that helped me through my adolescent phase of like being the sweatiest monster on earth. Pit stains, I got them. Well, I did, but now I don't anymore. Anyway, throwing that on, and then I always like to like floss and brush my teeth before I put on in my sink. Before I put on like my moisturizers, because then if I don't, I feel like this area gets wiped off. I'm a hoe for these picks. This is the Colgate Opti Wipe. I think it's really good actually. All right, and then currently I'm using this Act mouthwash. I'm gonna go ahead, calm down. It's the Blonde Moment Style and Protect, but I'm just gonna spray it on tonight. I like to do it when it's wet. I did brush my hair in the shower, but I'm just gonna give the leave-in just a little comb through because she is wild. Should I do the towel wrap hair? We should. All right, tonight I've got the Moira Rose Collagen Squalene and no battery. I do 2 big of this all over. Do you guys like the new lighting? If you're OG and you've ever seen this bathroom, it was yellow and we updated to daylight and I really like it. Okay, so down. I'm gonna let that sink in, and while I do that, I'm gonna go downstairs and grab the battery. BRB. All right, it is done. Fresh battery. Fresh face. Okay, while everything was sinking in, I took the opportunity to put lotion on my body, which you're not invited to either. I used this. It's basically Vaseline. It smells the same, feels the same, has the same ingredients, so I used that one. It's great. I was swindled into buying this. Unfortunately for her, it's kind of amazing. So I'm gonna throw this on as my moisturizer. It is the Dead Sea Firming Moisturizer. I think it makes my skin look good, so throwing that on over the serum. Don't forget to choke yourself. I didn't put keep lotion on my hands while I was doing face, but left that open too long, sorry. I put it on the back of my hands and rub so that you get the back of your hands. I feel like we neglect the back of our hands. I already have this on my arms, but that pump was big. All right, what else do I have to do? Oh, should I do my hair with that thing? I think it would be cool. Let's try it. Let's try it. I don't have any product in it. This is a curl activator cream. Let me put like the smallest amount. On the floor. The amount of hair that just came off in my hands is ridiculous. I'm going to order like a real one of these one day. We'll see. There's no way that can't do something. It's doing a lot. Will it dry? Probably not. Anyway, thank you guys for coming along Vlogmas with me. Tomorrow is gonna be so fun. I'm gonna get like the Christmas tree, maybe get some lights for outside. We're gonna have a good old fun time, and we'll have more adventures. Snowball is set to come back tomorrow. So yeah, we are just having fun. And I'm gonna finish uploading. The next video is ready to upload, so I'm gonna upload right after this. And then we're gonna go to bed. So excited. I look like, what's her name? Heidi. I look like Heidi. I feel like Heidi. I might not look like her, but I feel like her. Anyway, have a great day. Love you so much. You are beautiful. I am beautiful. Your tummy's cute. Bye.